guys, this is Brian back with the Vechain video, VET token. We put some price targets up there yesterday. Haven't quite hit them yet. We're going to take a look at some other things here, but I truly believe this is coming up higher. But let me get to a couple articles real quick, some big articles. Binance is going to convert $1 billion of their stablecoin to Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and other tokens. They're doing this to help support the market. They haven't done it yet, but they are going to do it. So that's pretty big of Binance to do that. That's pretty awesome. And one of the biggest reasons the market's flying today is inflation is down for the 8th straight month. They announced at 8:30 Eastern Time in the United States this morning. It's at 6% for, and it's down from 6.4% in February. So that's fantastic news. The crypto fear and greed index, excuse me, is actually, believe it or not, it's in greed. That's kind of hard to believe. I mean, geez, just a couple green days, and if you ask me, I'm still in fear right now. But that says greed right now. So the market cap is up 5.19%. Volume is down 37% for 24 hours. And Bitcoin dominance is up 1.73%. You can see what this inflation numbers have done to the market. I mean, a lot of double-digit gainers here. The only things that are really down is a couple coins, and they're barely down. A lot of these are stable coins over here. And you can see the Conflux is up 26%, Singularity 23.5%. Some big numbers out there. Filecoin 12.74%. So nice rally going on today. And of course, this morning when they announced the inflation numbers, Bitcoin has just blasted up there. We set a higher high. We took out this high here. This is on the daily chart. We set a higher high for Bitcoin. So in an uptrend, you want to see higher highs and higher lows. So we just need to have a low lower than that one. So and also the total market cap of cryptocurrency. I want to show you these two charts real quick, because the total market cap, this is on the daily chart, has set a higher high. Took out this high over here, but the total too is not quite there yet. It's still just barely under this high here. So we need to let me get that Fibonacci off there so you can see that a little better. That's on the daily. You can see this massive rally we're having here, but we haven't quite taken out that high yet. So let's get a look at the Vechain chart here and see what's going on. Put some couple price targets up. This is the daily chart. Put a couple price targets up yesterday. We broke out of this resistance. I'm expecting we're going to hit this former support now as resistance up here, and that's going to kind of be a tell-all there. We're going to need to bust through that. The RSI down here at the bottom, down there, on the 4-hour and the 1-hour were overextended. They're heated up, so I expect this to cool off some through here. Probably catch some support like over here. Probably bounce around in here a little bit before we decide. I'm pretty sure we're going up further. If you ask me, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, but usually you make it to at least a 618 in a rally, you know, before the coin either decides it's going to roll over and head down, or the 702. The 702 is the familiar spot for a B leg, an A, B, C. I don't believe we're doing that, but we're going to have to get through the 618 and 702 to see where we're headed from there. Right now, the rally, as far as the rally, the daily, like I said, the RSI is at 60 and 36, but the 4-hour and the 1-hour are way overextended. You can see the 4 there down at the bottom, and the 1 is curling over and heading down a little bit. But I expect us to find some support here, just like right here is going on. You can see it's starting to zigzag a little bit through here. We'll probably bounce around in here for maybe the rest of the day till tonight, till this thing cools off. That RSI, it's really overextended down there. That's the 1-hour. There's the 4-hour. And the daily is still on its way up. So that's good news. But I'm going to keep an eye on this price the rest of the day. Not a whole lot to say besides keeping an eye on these charts. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I'm giving away 100 ADA at the end of the month. I forgot to say that, so I apologize. All you got to do is be subscribed to the channel, and that's it. You're in the drawing. Every month I've got to do a giveaway. just a thank you to me, guys, for all the love and support. I very much appreciate it. I really, really do. So I'm going to keep an eye on these charts, and I'll get back to you later on them. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night.